we are talking about how to create your first offer. It's not some crazy expensive product that needs to be perfect right off the bat. Nope. We are talking about simple, profitable ideas that anyone can create, even if you have no experience. So before we jump in, I want you to go to the comments and tell me what your dream job would be if money were no object. Would you teach people how to draw cats? Would you be an official taco taster? Just simply tell me. I want to know what it is that you are passionate about, or what it is that you may have a bunch of experience in that you feel like you could share with someone else that could help solve a problem for them. Now, I know what you're thinking. What the heck is an offer? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create something that makes you money, that matches your skills and passions, and doesn't need to be perfect. So grab your favorite snack, get comfortable. We're gonna dive in and learn how to create your first offer. The first thing we need to do is identify what we call profitable niches. So let's kick things off by learning how to identify what a niche is. A niche is just a fancy word for a little piece of the market. It's like a specialty. Think of a small pizza shop that only produces gluten-free, vegan pizzas. Now, not everybody's going to want that. People that are looking for that are going to be interested in what it is you have to sell. The key is to tap into something that you love and you can share with other people. The second part of that is, what do people really want? For this, you may have to go out and research some stuff on Google or on YouTube, maybe look at some hashtags on Instagram, or look at Facebook groups. What you're trying to do is you're trying to look for problems that people are having that you can solve. If you can offer a solution, that's gold. So start with something that excites you, that you're passionate about, but you also have to make sure that people want that they're looking for it. So comment below, what is one thing that you could talk about for hours and never get bored? I want to know what that is. So the second thing is, what is it that you can even sell? So let's talk about what kind of product, goods, or services. There are tons of options out there in the 21st century, but I'm going to keep this simple for you and just keep it to 3 basic types. First, there's digital products. These are things like ebooks or printables or templates and guides. They are super low cost to create, but when they get downloaded, someone purchases them, you can make good money. The second thing you could offer are courses. So if you're really good at something like how to draw cats, you can create an online course where you can teach people how to do the exact same. People love learning new things, especially when it comes from someone like yourself. The third thing is affiliate marketing. This is an awesome option because you don't have to create anything yourself. You are basically just promoting someone else's product, and when someone clicks on your link and purchases that product, you receive a commission. So now, what do you think that you could sell? Would you teach knitting? Would you sell the best chocolate chip cookie recipe ever? Or maybe you could even recommend some cool tech gadgets. Let me know what you're thinking. Put it down in the comments. The next thing you need to do is validate your offer. So, okay, say you've got an idea, but you don't know if it's something that people will purchase. Well, don't worry, because there's a couple of easy ways to figure that out. First thing you can do is just ask your audience. Go out on social media and maybe do a poll or a survey asking, hey, would this help anybody? Is this something that you might be interested in? Is there anybody out there that would love to buy this thing? So the next thing you could do is create a wait list. Now people get excited by wait lists because you're offering them an exclusive spot to obtain whatever it is you're selling. And if you get 50 signups to that, then you know that it's something that people want and are interested in and will purchase. You could also pre-sell it. So say you've already got an audience on your personal Facebook that trusts you. You can even pre-sell your product before it's fully created. So if people buy it, then you know that they are interested in it. If they do not, then you know you need to go back to the drawing board. So those are just super simple ways to test the system to see if it's something that people are interested in. The key is to test and validate these things before you go diving in head first. That way there's no need to guess. If you want me to help you brainstorm some ideas, just drop me a comment and I'll be glad to help you out. The next thing you need to do is create an irresistible offer. So here's the final secret. How do you make an offer that people just cannot resist? Well, it's simple, and you don't need to be perfect. You just need to solve a simple problem for someone. That's it. People are just searching for solutions to their problems, whether they want to make the best chocolate chip cookie ever, whether they want to learn how to knit, maybe they want to learn how to create a business online. You just have to be able to solve a problem with your content so that they will learn to know, like, and trust you, and they will follow you, and they will purchase from you. So now that you know how to create an irresistible offer, I just want to know, what problem do you want to solve with your first offer? Just put it down in the comments. Let's get a conversation started. Just remember, you don't need to be a tech genius or a millionaire to create something amazing. Go out, search for things that you are passionate about, and search to see if there are people that are wanting that, and create something to bridge that gap. And you will make money. You will be successful. Just start small, validate it, and let your passion lead the way. You've got this. If you found this helpful at all, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. I want you to stay tuned for the next video, because in that, we are going to build your sales funnel, and we are going to learn to convert visitors to sales.